Yo, guys, I think I found another one of those hackers. Guys, I think this whole team is just that one hacker. Oh, guys, are you seeing this? Okay. 2. Someone ban these. Bro, this is just... I'm done, guys. I'm sorry.